your details, Nana. Today satsang is family satsang.
Yes,
While other students will join. What is your name?
V. Govardhan Datta.
What is your full name?
Sir, V. Govardhan Datta.
V. Govardhan Datta. Okay. Member ID?
AB 7104, sir.
AB 7104. AB 7104. What is your papa's name?
Sir, V. Jagadishwar.
V. Jagadishwar. Jagadishwar. Good name. Mother's name not required. Okay, tell me mother's name also.
V. Swapna, sir.
V. Swapna, right. Okay. What is your father profession?
Sir, business, sir.
Business. All business only. Okay, next, what else Swami is asking? Okay, father's name. Member ID, father's name. Enough. Right, Nana. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan and to all the students. We will start the session almost 8:25. Our students did not join. And yesterday I
Good morning.
students list, and these people are not going to today. We had meeting at 10 o'clock with Satish Reddy sir.
Not sir, you didn't hear the all Gurukul, sir. You gave our.
నిన్న మనకు అమర్నాథ్ సార్ పంపించింది అన్న వీళ్ళు ఆ 27 మెంబర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఈ రివిజన్ టెస్ట్ 3 రాయలేదు. దే డిడ్ నాట్ అటెంప్టెడ్ రివిజన్.
Revision test 3 rank.
Revision test 3 also I said no.
Sir, but that one you didn't say no, sir. All Gurukuls.
అందరిది పంపించలేదు నాన్న. ఎందుకు అంటే మన సతీష్ రెడ్డి సార్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఏంటంటే ఆయన టోటల్ అనాలిసిస్ దే విల్ సెండ్, బట్ ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఇస్ హి ఆస్క్ us to post దాంట్లో వేరే బ్రాంచెస్ తీసేసి పంపించమన్నారు. సపోజ్ యూ వాంట్ దట్ లిస్ట్ ఆల్సో ఐఎమ్ రెడీ.
Yes, sir. Tell that list, sir.
Okay, that also if you are interested means that also I will send. What is there in that? Only thing is if you are all interested, definitely it will be sent to you. Okay. So how many students has joined?
27, sir.
27, sir.
27, sir. Sir, including you, 28, sir.
May 28. They're all gels.
Sir?
Okay, we'll start the session now.
Sir, one second, sir. Sir, you said that
First rank.
the class will know about our phase 1 examination, sir.
Phase 1 exams?
Some information will be given, you said, no, sir.
Yeah, today again I will be taking conference to all of you.
Sir, phase 1 objective.
Okay, after hours meeting. Yeah, actually today for principals meeting is at 10 o'clock because why students are getting absent. He will give left and right to all the principals, teachers.
Sir,
Teachers,
phase
he
1
won't address.
objective are descriptive, sir.
Yeah, that is what today the decision will be taken, Mr. Bachu Rakesh. Okay. Our
Okay,
Satish sir will decide, Nana. So, my dear students, today we will see about, we are studying about the periodic classification of elements. And so far on Saturday's class, I explained you about what means very important characteristics like valency. I explained you, Akshay. Am I right?
Sir.
Akshay ji absent today.
Sir, your voice is somewhat breaking, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
Breaking,
breaking
Nana,
session.
because of phone. Here all the Americans items are there, so there is no space. Periodic classification. 1 minute. I need to explain you about the ionization energy, which we are discussing about.
Yes, sir, ionization.
Ionization energy.
Sir, the minimum energy required for the removing.
So first we will see. I'll off my video so that voice will not have a problem. Because if video is on, then voice problem will be. Because actually today 10:20 no my class. So because of meeting today with the boss, Mr. Satish Reddy boss. So my dear students, first ionization energy. Ionization energy. Now screen is visible to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My audio and video both are available. Both are okay, no?
sir, everything is okay.
Yes, sir. Everything, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Called as energy as potential, and the third ionization potential. Actually, these concepts related to 10th standard, but sorry, related to first year, and even it was given in NTSC also. Therefore, I thought of to explain you, and even the factors also are there. So there are the three types of ionization energy or ionization potential. As Master Kritik, they just said, this is nothing but the minimum energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom. So we will see what is his first ionization potential, what is the second ionization potential, what is his third ionization potential. When I am dictating you, please make a notes also, every one of you. It is the energy required to remove the most loosely held electron. First, I am talking about first ionization potential. It is energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Required
Sir,
to
right,
remove
sir.
the, yeah, I'll write. It is the energy required रामावतार पूरा लिख ले फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी का कॉन्सेप्ट है ये
Yes,
to
sir.
remove the
Yes, sir. Writing, sir.
most loosely held electron. The students who are not attending classes, for them teachers will visit and we will submit one letter that they are not going to write the board examination. We will collect a letter from them. Because Bhaveshar is not available, he left to Gujarat. So Kalyan sir, Aditya sir will visit. We'll take one official letter from them. అంటే వాళ్ళకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్
Sir,
లేనప్పుడు
isolated neutral.
వేరే
What
వాళ్ళని
is
ఆఫీస్ isolated neutral gaseous atom beta. Isolated neutral gaseous atom. Ritik, this is the definition, Anna. First ionization potential. It is energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom. From an isolated uni-positive gaseous ion is called second ionization potential. From an isolated di-positive gaseous ion is called as third ionization potential. Actually, this is not this is not your syllabus, but even though I'm adding you these points, so even equation also we will see. equation also. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has noted down. Again, I am repeating, my dear students. On the screen which I had written, it is the first ionization potential definition. Prithvi Bhargav. It is the energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Neutral gaseous atom. So equation is, that is capital M plus capital M. So in gaseous state plus I1 stand for first ionization potential, gives rise to M plus in gaseous state plus E minus. So commonly first ionization potential is denoted by letter I1. The utilization of I1 results in the formation of unipositive ion. This is the equation. Every one of you please write down. M stand for element. M stand for element. Who is this? Akhil. Two people waiting. We Akhil, Murari, Vishwasai. Wow, dots are coming. Very nice. So can I clear the screen, Nana? And I'm writing you second ionization potential. Second ionization potential. Same definition, only last it changes. It is the energy. It is the energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated Donish. This time Donish, no, first rank is top. Third rank.
Yes, sir.
From an isolated unipositive. We maintain the same consistency. Yesterday I discussed Nana about your two options are set for everybody. The answers, the marks will be added. No, then obviously the rank is consistent only. No, for 4 marks, suppose key wrong is there. For every student, he need to add 4 marks. And obviously, what will happen? Govardhan, where is he standing? The same position, but only thing is marks will be increased, but rank will remain the same.
Sir, but some people have given now the correct answer, no, sir. Which means it is wrong, no, sir. Then we can improve the rank. No, sir.
It's director sir is not listening our words. Whatever he will say in 2 sentences, he will keep quiet and discuss also. అంటే అందరికీ పెరుగుతుంది కదా భయ్యా అంటాడు. Finish. Please write down, Nana. It is energy required to remove the most loosely held electron from an isolated unipositive gaseous ion. Unipositive gaseous ion. Unipositive means here M2 minus. Please write down. I'll write the equation also. Second ionization potential. बच्चे का लिस्ट में रखा था ना 27 स्टूडेंट्स का लिस्ट ग्रुप में रखा था ना.
Yes, sir.
एक 2-3 बच्चों से बात करो. एवरीवन ऑफ अडॉप्शन Instead of teachers calling you people, only call three students. Prithvi Bhargav, you also call to 3 of your friends. Akshay Sriranga, you also call to 3 of your friends and
Okay,
say
sir.
to them that the principal sir is not going to allow you to write the board examination until unless you people are attending classes and also object to examinations.
Sir, only the
And
27 members, sir.
only the 27. అందరు కాదు నిన్న
I'll
మిస్
take the he's in front of my house.
వాళ్ళకి
Okay, sir.
ఇది వాళ్ళు
Sir,
సేమ్
Revision test 3, our school.
ఉమేష్ మా ఇంటి ముందరనే ఉంటారు సార్, నేను చెప్తాను.
what something somebody
Sir.
is Gordhanata, tell me what is
Sir,
it?
we are informing them also, they are not listening.
What I did not get you. ఒకరు మాట్లాడండి ఒకరు మాట్లాడారు. First you tell me like face exam is there no beta. First ask them to write the face examination, every one of them. Okay.
సరే నేను కాల్ చేసి చెప్తే వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు అంటే ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ ఏముంది రాదాం అంటారు. ఈ డిపిటీలు ఇంకా అవన్నీ ఏం చూస్తారో ఏమో అని డౌట్. దే ఆర్ థింకింగ్ సార్ నో వన్ గిల్ గివ్ మార్క్స్, టేక్ ఇట్ లైట్.
వాళ్ళు అనుకుంటున్నారు సార్ మీరే మార్క్స్ సరే అనుకుంటున్నారు అందరు.
మార్క్స్ వేస్తారు, ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ వేస్తారు.
ఎట్లా మార్క్స్ వేస్తారు, ఇక మేము ఎందుకు
పాస్ అవుతాము అని అనుకుంటున్నాం.
ఒకసారి కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఆ 27 మందికి 0 వేసి వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టిస్తారు చూడండి.
సార్ వాళ్ళు చక్కగా అవుతుంది.
పెట్టిస్తా ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ ఎవరైతే రాలేదో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా 0 గ్రూప్. మీరు ఒకటే మాట చెప్పండి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ ఒకటే చెప్పారు, బట్ ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ అయితే మీ అందరికి కూడా మినిమం 5 మార్క్స్ వేసి పంపిస్తారని చెప్పేసి. మినిమం 5 మార్క్స్, ఎందుకంటే మీరు క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ కావట్లేదు, ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయట్లేదు. వీళ్ళందరికీ కూడా ఈ 27 మెంబర్స్, అది కూడా నేను మెసేజ్ కూడా పెట్టేస్తాను. ఐ విల్ సెండ్ ద మెసేజ్, యూ ఆల్సో షేర్ టు దెమ్. నగరాలు చేస్తున్నట్టున్నారు, నగరాలు అడక తింటున్నారా ఇంటి దగ్గర వచ్చి తీసుకొని క్లాసులకి అటెండ్ కాకుండా అడక తింటున్నారా ఏంటి? ఏదైనా గుడి దగ్గర కూర్చుంటే కలెక్షన్ అలా వస్తుంది. కామన్ సెన్స్ ఉండాలి. అరే మన లైఫ్ కదా, మనం క్లాసులు అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి అనేది వాళ్ళకి ఉండాలి. కనీసం పేరెంట్స్ అన్నా చెప్పాలి. గాలికి వదిలేసినట్టు వదిలేస్తే ఎవరికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏముంది? మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఫాలోఅప్ చేస్తున్నారు, నాన్న కూర్చో క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వు. కొంతమంది పేరెంట్స్ చెప్తారు, మన సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా ఉండాలి కదా. ఇంకా గుదకింత 14 ఏళ్ళు 15 సంవత్సరాలు ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇంకే నొప్పి చెప్పాలి ఇంకా పేరెంట్స్. We should have that feeling, we need to attend classes, we need to write the exam.
Second ionization energy, you didn't write equation, sir.
Sir, equation, sir.
Second ionization potential equation.
I started this one. You copy this one, and later I'll write the equation. Leave one line space. It is energy required to remove the most loosely. Kritik, are you writing? To remove the most loosely
Yes, sir, writing.
held electron. Ragi Arshit Reddy option, no? Held electron from an isolated dipositive gaseous ion. Dipositive. Dipositive. Tarun, you check out whether this Ragi Arshit Reddy present or not.
Yes, sir.
Sir, after dye positive, after what is that, sir?
Yes.
From an isolated dipositive gaseous,
Arshit is not
to remove the
present.
most loosely held electron from an isolated.
Arshit is not there in class.
Present.
Sir, what after dye positive, sir?
Don't worry, I'll call him. I'll give you left to right. Gaseous ion, GaSeous, gaseous. ion ion because of space deficiency. So it was written like that. Loosely held electron from an isolated dye-positive gaseous ion. Now onwards, physics, chemistry, every one of you pay attention and study those, whichever has been sent. Otherwise, you make a file, PDF file will be sending you. Maybe you may have materials, but I'm not satisfied with that. I'll send you PDFs. I send you last time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chapters, how many chapters
Yes,
is left over till?
సార్ అన్ని పంపించండి సార్ కార్బన్ అండ్ కాంపౌండ్స్ తప్ప అన్ని పంపించండి.
అది కూడా పంపించేస్తాను నన్ను ఒకసారి రిమైండ్ అయ్యి ఈరోజు మీటింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత when I'm free I will send that also. So plus I2. Only thing is second ionization potential is represented by letter I2, gives rise to, I said to you what, unipositive gaseous ion, that is M2 plus in brackets G plus E minus. And for third ionization potential, the equation is same only, M plus, here also M plus G plus what here, I3, am I right, gives rise to M3 plus what, E minus. Please compare the equations better. You can see the you can compare the equations. M plus I1 gives rise to M plus, first we started with M only. You can see first ionization potential capital M in gaseous state plus I1 gives rise to M plus in gaseous plus E minus. Again in second ionization potential, which is the product of first ionization potential, that you have to take. That is M plus G plus second ionization potential is means what, it is represented by letter what, I2. Okay, so I2 gives rise to M2 plus in gaseous state plus E minus. Next in third ionization potential equation is what, M, you can see here M what, M2 plus, I had written wrong here, M2 plus I3. I3 stand for what? Kritik Tejas, third ionization potential gives rise to M3 plus E minus. Clear? Vardhanata? Is clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని బై హార్ట్ చేయదు, ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటే రిమైనింగ్ టకటక రాసేయచ్చు. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక సినిమా చూస్తున్నాం అంటే బ్రహ్మానం నెక్స్ట్ డైలాగ్ ఏం చెప్తాడు మీరు చెప్పేస్తారు కదా, సేమ్ అంతే. సాయి రోహిత్ రావట్లేదు.
క్లాస్ వాళ్ళే సార్.
So Gordon, next after you Wednesday, which student for family sir?
Prithvi, sir.
Prithvi.
Prithvi Bhargav.
Sir, Ramotar Bangar, sir.
Sir, Arshit also said na, sir.
You
Sir,
told
Arshit
Arshit.
also said na, sir.
Prithvi Bhargav said his father is busy and he'll be coming at 10 o'clock. So
Sir,
next
not
choice.
you said Harshit Reddy and Ramotar Bangar.
Yes, sir. Ramotar Bangar,
Harshit Reddy or Ramotar Bangar. So Ramotar Bangar, so are you joining?
Sir,
Friday, no?
Yes, sir, mine Friday, sir.
Yes, sir. That boy is Friday and
Yes,
Arshit.
sir,
మరి
Friday.
ముందు ఆ రాగి Harshit
Arshit Wednesday, sir. Gordon Gupta, Monday.
Okay, you can join at Friday only, no issue. Now we will see about what about this period in the case of group and period. We will see. First we will study about variation of ionization potential in groups. First we will discuss groups. This is very, very important. Variation of ionization energy in groups. In a group from top to bottom, the ionization potential gradually decreases. This is already we know. Am I right? In a group in a group from top to bottom. This was answered by Master Kritik Tejas already. Top to bottom, the ionization potential, IP means ionization potential, gradually decreases. IP పెట్టడం కాదు ఇక్కడ, IP అంటే ionization potential gradually, because as we move down in a group, the outer electrons occupy new shells. And one more point is addition of new shells increase the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell. Potential in groups. Variation of ionization potential in groups. In a group from top to bottom, the ionization potential gradually decreases. Can I clear better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So many good students are there in 10th standard. I am not addressing all of them. Continue these points so that you'll have some clarity. As we move down in a group, the outer electrons occupy new shells. Addition of new shells increase the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell. As we move down, Rishikesh. How many are there participants totally? 34. Okay. As we move down in a group, the outer electrons occupy new shells, addition of new shells increase the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell. Gordon Datta, you got clarity by looking at this point?
Yes, sir.
We'll see example also. You tell me first group. Also.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
happened?
Sometimes voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking. Why it has to break? No break. I'll switch off my Wi-Fi in phone. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
I'm clearing the screen. Can I clear the screen? Okay, your internet connection is unstable. So I'm clearing the screen. First group, what are the elements beta? Hydrogen, next lithium, next sodium. We will take these three. We will take these three enough. So hydrogen is 1, lithium is 3, sodium is 11. Master Kritik Tejas. So it is 1s1. Here it is 1s2. 2s1, and here it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. And in terms of K and L, I'll write on top. In terms of K and L, here it is 1, and here it is what? 2, 1, and here it is 2, 8, 1. You can see here addition of an extra shell when you are moving from top to bottom due to addition of an extra shell. So the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell increases because of screening effect also. Increases the screening effect. Screening effect means in higher classes, those who will join in the after examinations +1 tuition, because ionization energy we need to discuss a lot. Nuclear charge, atomic radius, screening effect, penetration power of orbitals, electronic configuration, net charge on the ion. These are all the factors that you will study in the first year. ఎవరైతే ఆల్రెడీ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి స్లాట్స్ బుక్ అయిపోయాయి ఆల్రెడీ ట్యూషన్స్కి, ఎవరైతే జాయిన్ అవుతారో వాళ్ళకి చెప్తాను. కెన్ ఐ క్లియర్ ద స్క్రీన్? Okay, please copy down this one.
Yes, sir.
And we will take Master Kritik Tejas. We will say about variation in periods.
Voice breaking.
Voice is breaking, sir.
क्या करूं बेटा? अभी ऑफ कर दिया मैं, वाईफाई भी ऑफ कर दिया मैंने फोन में, तुम लोगों की नजर लग के.
Sir, phase 1 exam
Okay, now?
descriptive, sir.
అదే నాన్న ఈరోజు ఒక్కసారి మాట్లాడతాం చిన్న. ఈరోజు 10 o'clock మీటింగ్ ఉంది, అందుకనే మీ క్లాస్ నేను 8:20కి తీసుకున్నాను. సో దెర్ వాజ్ ఎ మీటింగ్. ఇన్ దట్ మీటింగ్ ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్. ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
Immediately after meeting is over, WhatsApp.
Sir, forward all science classes in that group.
Chemistry?
Sir, అప్పుడు పంపించారు కదా సార్ మెయిల్ లో నాకు.
అర్థం కాలేదు, ఏమంటున్నావు?
సార్ అప్పుడు సైన్స్ నోట్స్ పంపించారా సార్?
మీరు నోట్స్ పంపిస్తుంటే కదా సార్ అప్పుడు
Notes
ఆయన
పంపించలేదు సార్.
ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసింది.
Yes.
అది పెట్టేసాం సార్ గ్రూప్ లో మళ్ళీ.
సరే. I'm clearing the screen. Now we will see variation in periods. Variation in periods. Variation in periods. Variation in periods. So we are talking about Master Kritik Tejas, Ragi Harshit Reddy, Tarun Gaud, Govardhan Datta, Akshay Sriranga, झावर तो साइलेंट हो गया, मियाँ बात भी नहीं कर रहे. So variation in periods. In a period, very important point, in a period from left to right, Sai Rohit, period means left to right, group means top to bottom, left to right, the ionization potential gradually increases. How? We will see. Gradually increases. So I am continuing here point. As we move across the period, the atomic number of the elements, please copy down. If there is, are you feeling any difficulty in understanding my handwriting? You can ask. As we move across the period, the atomic number of the elements. How many left? ఒకరే left అయ్యాడు పర్వాలేదు.
Yes, sir, one member.
Yes, sir.
చూద్దాం ఇంకా మిగతా ఆ 27 members కి అయితే వాళ్ళ ఎగ్జామ్ in a period from left to right, the ionization potential gradually increases as we move across the period. The atomic number of the elements increases. The atomic number of the elements. I am clearing the screen here. Atomic number of the elements. Sai Rohit, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Atomic number of elements increases gradually, increases continuously. Increase continue. Full stop.
Sir, in your voice is not audible, sir, when you are speaking.
What happened? Okay, now is it? Sometimes it is freezing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
While you are
Yes, sir.
saying,
Yes, sir,
it is
sometimes.
stopping for some
It is
time, sir.
showing, yeah, whenever you are giving a complaint, it is showing that your internet connection is unstable. It is showing. Because Tarun Gaud ఏదో చేస్తుంటాడు.
నేనేం చేసిన సార్, నేనేం చేయలేదు సార్.
Write down the next point. The nuclear charge increases. The nuclear charge increases. The nuclear charge increases. But the electrons are added to the same shell. But the electrons. Ritik, is it clear? Electrons are added to the same shell. Electrons. There is no question of addition of one extra shell, are added to the same shell. Master Kritik Tejas is not in the session. Electrons are added to the same shell. Ramavatar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Kritik, are you in the session beta or left?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
After writing, I am keeping quiet. Gordon Datta, after class is over, you call me once. Please copy down. I finished today as I promised you about the ionization energy, which will be discussed on Monday. I completed the ionization energy in the case of group, in the case of period. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It was not mentioned in your book. Please